Hello kids. Today we will read the subject of EVS. So take out Tulip Semester 1 and open the section EVS. Chapter number 4, My Classroom. My classroom. Welcome to my classroom. Children, what we do in the classroom, students? What we do in the classroom? Yes, we read in the classroom. We read in the classroom. So students, look here everyone. Look at this picture. Can you see? Okay. What we have in a classroom? What we have in a classroom? We have a board in a classroom, right? The teacher write on the blackboard with the chalk and erase with the duster, right? So, spelling of blackboard is B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard, C-H-A-L-K, chalk, D-U-S-T-E-R, duster, duster, blackboard, chalk, duster. The teacher write on the blackboard with the chalk and duster. Look at this picture. What is this? Cupboard. This is a cupboard. The teachers use the cupboard for books and notebooks. The spelling of cupboard is C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Look at this picture. What is this? Teacher's desk. Teacher's desk. The teachers use teacher's desk. Look at this picture. Yes, tables and chairs. And students sit on the chair and use the table for their writing work. Okay? Spelling of table is T-A-B-L-E, table, and C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay? The blackboard is black in color. I write on it with a white chalk. Right? Draw a picture of the blackboard in your class. Like this. This is your homework. Okay, everyone? Yes. Chapter number 5, My Body. My body. We all have a body, but you know these things? That there are many parts of our body, right? So today we will learn about body parts. Our body has different parts. Look at this picture. Yes. Now we will learn some body parts name. Okay, everyone? Yes. See this? What is this? This is a head. H-E-A-D, head. This is a head. What is this? These are eyes. Okay? E-Y-E-I. I have two eyes. We have two eyes. These are eyes. What is this? This is ear. E-A-R, ear. These are ears. We have 2 ears, right? What is this? Nose. This is the nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is a mouth. We have 1 mouth, right? Next, arm. A-R-M, arm. Arm. This is a arm, right? Finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. We have 10 fingers. Leg. L-E-G, leg. We have 2 legs, right? Toe. T-O-E, toe. T-O-E, toe. We have little toes. Okay? Look at little N. She is reciting a rhyme. Wow, very good. Let us sing. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little eyes and 1 little nose, 1 little mouth that opens wide, 1 little head that moves from side to side. Let us sing. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little eyes and 1 little nose, 1 little mouth that opens wide, 1 little head that moves from side to side. Yes! Very good, everyone. Read aloud and show different parts of your body. So, now, how many eyes do you have? Do you know? Don't worry. The girl says, I have 2 eyes. Right? How many mouths do you have? The girl says, I have a mouth. Right? Next, how many ears do you have? Tell me. The girl says, I have 2 ears. How many arms do you have? Tell me. Yes, we have 2 arms. Right. How many nose do you have? Tell me. We have a nose. 1 nose. Right? We have a nose. The girl says, I have a nose. And last picture. How many legs do you have? The girl is saying, I have 2 legs. We have 2 legs. Okay, students? Read and learn all words in a similar way. Thank you.